Is this the house that happened in?
Yeah, this looks like the place. The poor girl killed herself.
Let's get this done so the realtor can sell again.
Let's go.
Okay guys, we're here. Let's go look at the new house.
Best behavior, Laura. Okay.
Yes, please.
You guys must be Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Hi.
Yes.
You can call me Cindy.
Yes, I'm Michelle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Steve.
This is our daughter Laura.
Oh, nice to meet you.
So I heard there was death in this neighborhood.
No.
No, and it didn't happen at this house. Something
No.
suspicious. Because I really don't want my daughter to grow up in that kind of environment.
No.
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, this is the house. Through there's the bathroom, and this is the living room. And this house has an amazing view, as you can see.
Wow.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
That's amazing.
And
That's
I'll
really
show you the rest of the house. This way is the kitchen.
Right?
This home is so beautiful.
I know.
It's perfect.
Look at that stove.
Well, it's so old.
It is.
Mom, Dad,
Everything all right? What's wrong?
the music box was just playing.
Oh, honey, I'm sure you're just imagining things.
Is everything going okay in there?
Oh, yes, Laura was just saying how she wanted this to be her new room.
It's perfect for your room. It would. Laura! Laura, you okay? Laura! Laura!
Guys, I'm home. I need help bringing in the groceries.
Did I do well?
I want to more. Hey, so is this a good neighborhood? Because we came from a really rough neighborhood. We want to make sure this is a nice, safe place to start a family.
Yeah, of course it is.
Okay, great.
Come on in.
So how many bedrooms are there?